Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to convert JPG to PDF in mobile phone. Friends, today in this video I will show you a easy way to convert your image saved in your mobile gallery to PDF file format with the help of Telegram messaging app. So first open Telegram app. Now here press on this search icon and here type @new file converter bot. Now open the first search result. Here press on start. Now you simply need to share your image file which you want to convert. For that press on this attachment icon. Now search for your file. Select the file and press on the send button. Now you have shared the file and it is asking the file format in which you want to convert this file. So I will select PDF. Now it has started converting the file. Now it has converted the file and shared the converted PDF file in the chat window. Now this is our converted PDF file. Now to download or share this file, you simply need to press on these three dots and here you will find the option to save to downloads, and also you can share this file. I will share this file to someone in WhatsApp. Now friends, as you can see, I have shared the converted PDF file in WhatsApp. Now I will open this file. So friends, like this you can very easily convert your image file to PDF file format in mobile phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.